Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I would like to say welcome. I am Michelle. I usually just rant about my personal experience as a loan signing agent. Tonight, I'm broadcasting from Georgia because I have a grand girl and I was able to meet her for the very first time in person. I'm so excited. I'm so in love. She's beautiful. I'm not going to charge you. I just want the experience, you know? And then if you do that, you show them that you are wanting to learn, you're willing to work. I mean, you're willing to sacrifice your time to learn something. And I'm sure they will be more than willing to provide you with some assignments as they become available. Don't be afraid to get your feet wet. Get out there. You know, a lot of, with COVID, a lot of times I've heard some escrow and title companies say they don't just want people walking in off the street because of COVID, you know, so I do understand that. So in your spare time when you don't have signings, just kind of work on your marketing. You know, get your emails together, do a email that you can copy and paste into, you know, several different emails when you email these title companies or escrows or the offices or these lawyers who can possibly help you in your journey. So email, work on your business cards. If you don't have business cards, work on those. Work on your flyers, you know, that you can pass out and let people know what experience you have or what things that you can do of your general notary work, what you can offer them. Work on your Google page, your Google business page. I get a lot of general notary work from there. You know, I just got an assignment yesterday for $100. And it was just a few pages. It took me maybe 10 minutes, if that, and I made $100, and it was literally 5 minutes away from my house. So work on your Google page. And then when you do general notary work, just make sure that you ask them for, you know, to leave a review on your Google page, because that really does help. So again, I just wanted to stop by tonight and say, stay encouraged. When you don't have a sign-in, work on your business, you know. Do your marketing, do your research, do your flyers, work on your business card, work on your Google business page, work on your website, whatever it is, you know, that you want to do, you know, like watch videos, and not just my videos that are based on the topics that you want to learn about. You know, I watch videos all the time, how to make, how to make my channel grow, you know, how to market my business, how to, whatever you want to do, you can find on YouTube, you can Google it. So make your page Googleable. I think that is a word. No, but I am going to get off of here because I don't want to talk too long or too loud and wake my baby girl up. So I hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, and I think about 70% of the people who watch my videos aren't even subscribed. So come on, guys, subscribe, like, share, subscribe, like, share. All right, guys, well, I'm getting tired. It's been a long day. I drove 3 hours here to Georgia, so I'm going to have a good night. I hope you do also.